So today I will tell you the dangerous side effects and all the details of this medicine. I'm your pharmacist, Dr. Abdul Rafi. I'm doctor of pharmacy, means I have a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert and you're watching Side Effects channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Bactizet and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is azithromycin. It is a 250 mg capsule and its manufacturer is Woodward's. It is an antibiotic. It is used to treat a lot of bacterial infections. As it is a macrolide type antibiotic, it stops the growth of bacteria and it is a very effective medicine. So now let's discuss its dangerous side effects and common side effects. It can cause severe life-threatening allergic reactions, which are the allergic reactions. Basically, those patients who are allergic to azithromycin should never ever use this medicine, as azithromycin can lead them to death because they are sensitive to it, they are allergic to it. So if anybody has an allergy to azithromycin, they should not use it and opt for the other treatment. Okay, and it also has effects on our heart. It can cause irregular heartbeat, which is the arrhythmia, and it is a very dangerous side effect of it, and in high doses it increases and intensifies this effect. It can also cause Clostridium difficile associated diarrhea, which is due to the Clostridium difficile infection, and it causes diarrhea which is very severe. It can also cause liver damage, means that it can damage our liver. It can also cause abnormal changes in electrical activity of heart, leading to fatal irregular heart rhythm, which is again arrhythmia. It is also dangerous, and as I have already told you, when you take this medicine in high doses, these all side effects intensifies. Another dangerous side effect which is caused by our own mistake is this, that antibiotic resistance. It is caused when we do not complete the duration or regimen of the treatment or the course of it. It means that if it is for example, if an antibiotic is for 15 days, you should have to use it for 15 days, but you don't use it, so and you just stop it in the 8th day as you are feeling good, then it can lead you to antibiotic resistance. The microorganisms, the bacteria will be resistant to the antibiotic and will be more stronger. Then you have to use a severe and a heavy antibiotic, which will be heavy in cost and will also have side effects and will also have a long duration. So it's better to complete the course of the antibiotic as prescribed by your physician. So always complete the duration of the antibiotic course even you are feeling well. Okay, so now let's discuss its common side effects. It can also cause dizziness, tiredness, nervousness, vaginal itching or discharge, insomnia, which is the loss of sleep, skin rashes or itching, ringing in ear, which is also known as tinnitus, hearing problems, which is also a very severe and dangerous side effects when, especially when taken in high doses. It can cause hearing problems, can affect our hearing. It can also cause allergic reactions such as hives, difficulty in breathing, swelling in the throat and mouth area, and it can also cause severe skin reactions. Also, it can also lead to sore throat, blistering and peeling of the skin, and pain and red skin rash on the skin. Moreover, it can also cause stomach upset, diarrhea, nausea, which is the feeling of vomiting. It can also cause vomiting, constipation, abdominal pain, which is the pain in abdomen area, headache, which is the pain in head, and the sense of taste is also affected. So these are the side effects, and it doesn't have too much side effects. Overall, this medicine is very good and effective, but it is an antibiotic, so you have to use it very carefully. So for more details about this medicine, its drug-drug interactions, side effects, contraindications, and its use, and whether it is good for you or not, and are you allergic to this medicine or not, so for all the details you can consult your pharmacist for this, and do not use it without consulting your physician. If you feel any other kind of side effect which I haven't told you, so you can also mention in the comment section, or any suggestion of yours would be very welcome. So you can also place your comment in the comment section. So that's for today. So I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel, and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdul Rafi in your prayers. Allah Hafiz, take care, and Pakistan Zindabad.